welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. It's Monday, which means it's my member update video where I let you guys know what is new. If you guys need a quick reference to what is new each week, on the homepage of auntietay.com, there's a button that says what's new. You can click that and it actually has all the files that I'm going to be talking about in this video. But today I'm going to give you guys some Valentine's ideas and tips and tricks and talk about my favorite places to get stuff for Valentine's crafts. So, 2 fun new paper patterns that yours truly designed. Actually, it's 3 in 2. So, we have the Be Mine banner. And this can be converted a few different ways. You don't have to do it exactly how I did it. You can make the bee a little bit smaller and make an adorable Be Mine banner. We also have the XOXO banner, which is super cute. And you can also pair this with the Be Mine banner. You can make this bigger, smaller. You can do it smaller and do multiple and do it all around. The way that I design my banners is always 3 layered letters, so you don't have to use all 3 layers. You can use 2 layers if you'd like. So they are the most designed that they can be, but you can always lighten it up a bit if you don't have that much paper and you just want to make something fast and simple. The next thing that we came out with, which I am so excited for, is the photo box. And I'm just gonna call it a photo box because even though I wanted to do this for Valentine's Day, I think it would be great to show you guys how to do this for a bunch of different themes. So I already have a ton of plans for just the photo box alone. I want to do Disneyland ones, I want to do yearly ones, I want to do so many things. So let's just show you. It's so cute. You open it up and it explodes with all these cute little spots that you can put your photos. So I will be going live, showing you guys how I finish off the Valentine's one sometime before Valentine's Day, but I will also be doing a tutorial on how to make this. So if you're a little confused, don't worry, I will have a tutorial because we are gonna be making these like crazy. And I already fell in love with this pattern, so I will be creating fun patterns and more boxes and more things and character themes and all the things. So you don't want to miss this, but this is a basic one. You want to start by learning how to use this one. I suggest just jumping in with whatever paper you have on hand, try one out and get the feel for it before you go big and try to make a really big one. The next thing is a bundle from SVG Cuttables with all the Valentine's SVGs. I'm so excited. I love all of their Valentine's SVGs. I will be making some hoodies before Valentine's Day live with you guys. So I'm not sure the dates and times that I'll be going live because I have a fun announcement that I'll be announcing in the next couple days or maybe week. So you guys want to follow my Instagram stories if you guys want to see what I'm up to, because I've got fun new things happening around the Auntie Tay world. And then we also have a print and cut bundle by Hippo Gifts, and this is cute Valentine's animals. They are so cute. If you guys want more information on what you can use clip art for, I know some people are kind of confused on what the clip art is for, but it works great for sublimation, it works great for designing your own files, it makes great for designing your own stickers, and I plan to really dive into how I use clip art and how you guys can use clip art, because we've got clip art coming out probably at least twice a month for you guys, and you guys definitely will want to use it because it's the cutest clip art on earth. We have a Valentine's sticker sheet. You guys are totally digging the printable sticker sheets, so I'm making more. I think I have one coming out almost every single week for you guys just because they're fun. They're fun to use, they're fun for me to make, they're fun for your planner and all the things. If you've been a member for a while, you might know that we have an entire gallery of Valentine's SVGs that are ridiculously cute. I'll pop up some pictures and I'll also be sharing pictures throughout this month on my Instagram page as well, so you guys want to make sure you're following me because you want to see how we're using our SVGs, existing and new ones, because there are so many cute ones. Let me just give you guys some quick tips on where I love to go, and it's not going to be a surprise. I love the Target Happy Spot or Bullseye's Playground. I love to go there and get their adorable stuff. So I'm just gonna show you some of the cute things that I found. This actually is a heart box I found at Target in the birthday party spot, and I plan to do something on the outside with it. So you guys are gonna have to join me live to do that. We might do some stencil Mod Podge glitter on this because that is super fun and super cute. I also love when they have their pot holders and tea towels because you can really go crazy with decorating your kitchen. Obviously they have these aprons because I'm wearing one, but this one is actually finished. This one says chocolate is my Valentine in red HTV and gold HTV. And then I found these cute little wood clips with the wood hearts. And I think all Targets are different. So if you can't find these at your Target, there are gonna be other things there that you guys can use. I have this cute little wood heart that I thought would be cute with a decal on it. These little wood placement heart cards I love. Michael's Recollections bundles are probably my favorite place to get my paper because they go on sale a lot and you can get an entire theme. So join me live this month as we do some Valentine stuff. I actually have some more Valentine stuff coming out next week that I can't wait to share with you, but it's a character themed Valentine, so we'll see you guys next week. Also, if you're a business member, our Zooms start this week. We are gonna have Zooms every single Wednesday for an hour from 10 a.m. to 11 PST. And if you can join us, we have a page that tells you the topic. If you cannot join us, we will be filming the topic portion of it and uploading it to the website later. So if you're shy and you don't want to join us, that is okay. However, we would love to have you join our Zooms. It is where I get to know a lot of my business members and I really can find out who you are and what you're about and all of those things. Okay, so I love you guys. I will see you guys next week. Thank you for joining for Valentine's week. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, on YouTube, and of course, AuntieTag.com for you to get all of your member files as well as your 20% off coupon for all my products from shopAuntieTag.com. All right, love you guys. Bye.